Hello everybody and welcome back to Manifested Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below, and my affirmations list and audio rampage emails down below. And my Master Manifestation Workshop, where I have a nervous system regulation program where we go more into depth with EFT, and I have multiple EFT tappings in there. And today we're going to be doing EFT tapping for mental health. If you're new to EFT tapping, just follow along. Here's a video explaining how to do it and all the benefits. My mental health is amazing. I feel good. I am at peace. I am healed. I am strong. I am okay. My mental health is amazing. I feel good. I am at peace. I am healed. I am strong. I am okay. My mental health is amazing. I feel good. I am at peace. I am healed. I am strong. I am okay. And that is all I have today for mental health EFT tapping. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.